Hey guys, my name is Kathy. Welcome to Moooni Light. What we have bring to you today actually is a crystal chandelier fan. Regarding for this fan, actually we have upgraded this more functions and better quality. And also for all the shippings, you can get free shippings as well for all the orders. And if you like to get your item more fast, there will be actual like expedited shipping service. So today, what we are going to talk about this chandelier. Actually, we are going to talk about the functions about the chandelier, the materials made, and also we'd like to tell you the functions. What is the reverse functions? And we would like to let you know how it is charming after you install it. So let's go ahead with this one. Actually, from this slide, you can see it's are you on the light? Actually, it's a crystal and chandelier is a combination with 80 to 100 square feet. So from over here, actually it's a crystal top K9 crystal we made. And we used to actually for this one, we used to recommend it for 80 to 100 square feet. So it usually to use in your room, your bedroom, your office, or in your dining room. So it's a really cool design and inspiration. From over here, you can see, actually for this one, there are so many. So right now, as the name suggests, when the fan stops running, the brace will automatically retract, just like invisible. So right now, it still looks like invisible. At this time, it only exists as a beautiful chandelier. Brace will stretch out and put inside automatically when turned on and off. So from here, like what we used to say, when the motor stops running and when turned on or off, how it goes on. When we turn on and off, the brace will automatically stretch back or out. So let's see how it is on. So we will on the fans. Right now the fans, when we on, it's the brace will out. So when the fan will use the reverse function, the reverse will be like as this one. So from here you can see, when the fan stops running, the brace will make a reverse. So reverse function is going on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the reverse coming. And also like what we used to say, this is the brace. So we off the fans first, it will just looks like a chandelier. It looks really nice and beautiful as well. And there are so many invisible fan lights on the market, but their functions are very simple. And most of the time, they cannot meet the needs of consumers. They generally only have 3 speeds, and the color temperature can be simply switched between 3 colors. And some do not even have a reverse functions. So let me share with you how much of fan lights attach importance to consumers' experience. So first, our fan use pure copper variable frequency DC motor. So from here also we would like to tell you, for us, compared with the traditional fan lights, actually for that only 3 wind speeds, but for us we have 6 wind speeds. So from here you can simply adjust 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And also we do have the like color temperature just between 30,000 K to 60,000 K. It's not only like 3 color change. Like what we say, we use the pure copper variable frequency DC motor. Actually for this kind of motor, we have upgraded battery quality and it's more efficient. So it's really quiet during the operation. You don't hear any noise and it just really enjoy with the fan lights, which one is really comfortable as well. From over here, you can easy to see. Right now, it's really charming and bright. And we would like to tell you like, usually for that only supports 3 winds, while variable frequency DC motor can support 6 wind speeds. So you can choose the most suitable gear. The transaction also more peaceful. Compared with the traditional motors, variable frequency DC motor are quiet and more energy efficient. Of course, the quality is better. Best quality, basically, there will be no sound can be heard during operation. For this kind of this motor, we are very confident to provide 10 years warranty as well. So next come with this one. What we are going to show you more about this one is the materials made. Actually for this one we use the top K9 crystal, and also for the brace it's an acrylic brace, and also for the you can see it's the polish, it's the metal polish as well, so you don't have to worry about discoloration or aging over time. And also from the next point is the fan lights are actually used as a light most of the time. You can see right now it's the light, and traditional fan lights only have on and off functions. Better one will provide a 3-color dimming effect, but it is only a simple switch between the 3 colors. In other words, its lights only 3 choices in color, which cannot be fine-tuned. The most important thing is that the brightness of the light cannot be adjusted, which is very unacceptable. All fan lights have achieved the above functions through a new design. The color temperature of the light can be adjusted from 30,000 K to 60,000 K. So from here you can see from our remote control. Like what we say, it can be changed from the 6 wind speeds because of this pure copper variable frequency DC motor. And also for this one, also we can have the color temperature between 30,000 K to 60,000 K. And also for us, we have the brightness adjust. So let me show you how it is really works on. But everything, all the functions will be operated by our remote control only. So let's go ahead to see our fan lights. So from here, first I will show you how is the color temperature adjust. So when the light off, fan off, it will be shown like this way. But when the light on, this is the warm white, and we have the warm white, trum. This is warm white. Before white is the day white, and we have the cool white. This is the cool white. So it looks really nice, and you can see how it really goes on different. And also like what we say, if you don't really like this one in really bright way, we have the brightness adjust, and also we have the night mode. So if you would like to, when you enter your house, you don't want to adjust so many times, what you can do, you can use the night mode. It's simply you can switch from over here. And also we have the color temperature, you can just switch over here as well. And so for the fans, you can simply to press this button, fan will be on. So right now you can see the fan will be on here. You can see how it works on, and we would like to show with the different environment, you can set up different color temperature. From here you can see it's a really nice cool and design, right? And especially for this one, you can see around fan light is actually a heart shape. And so it's a really cool, you can see it's a really nice way. So from here you can see clearly. And so from over here, like what we say, let's again go forward. What is the reverse and forward functions? Many consumers may not understand it. Actually, regarding for the forward functions, it's really important, especially when you encounter the humid weather. So if you use the reverse functions, it can prevent moisture and mildew. And like you turn on the heater in the winter, this one, reverse functions can fund air circulation and it won't blow people below. So it's a really good design for these reverse functions. So from here, I will show you how it goes on for the reverse functions. So for our fan light have a forward and reverse functions. Maybe some consumers don't understand the functions of reverse. Fans with fan reverse functions can push the air flow upward. This can form air circulation and will not blow people below. For example, if the heater is turned on in the winter, the fan's reverse functions will be used at this time to speed up the air circulation, and it will not be too stuffy. If you encounter humid weather, you can also turn on the reverse function to prevent moisture and mildew. So some people maybe will like to ask me, with so many functions, will it be complicated with so multifunctional? Actually, it's not simply just use the one button press on or off. Actually, what we are going to use to do, all the functions will be operated by remote control. So from over here, you can see all the details. Later on, we will have the manual book. From the manual book, you can see what is the list. You have to check for it. So from here, we have simply to tell you we have the 6 wind speed just from over here, and we also have the fan off, and we have the natural wings. And also from here we have the reverse and forward functions as well. In the meantime, what we have the timing setting. From here also we have the brightness adjust, so if we don't want to use the fan, we can simply fan off from over here. So you can see the fan will be off from over here. This is how our remote control, where at this point we had designed variable frequency DC design lamp shape. So consumers can choose the best style according to the style of the home. The crystal on our lampshade is also made of top K9 crystal instead of plastic. So you don't need to worry about discoloration or aging over time. When it is used as a fan layer, it contains all the functions of a fan and a lamp, combining practicability and beauty. So anyway, for this one, the fan lights, what we have to talk about, and we would like to show you the menu book. From the menu book, each package we have the one menu book. So this is our menu book, how it looks like, and it will be on your packing box. And when you receive your item, what you have to do, so here we have the packing list. From here, the packing list, you have to check all the details, which one will be included in your package as well. So we have all the details over here. Please check through it very details. And in the meantime, we have the safety rules. So before you install your fan lights, please read this one carefully for the safety rules. And also we have really nice part is you don't have to concern how you can install the ceiling fans, because what we have offered to you in the details is the installation preparation will be over here. So it tells you how to put your wire on and installing bolt and lines, the shape, and everything. The details will be over here. And wiring details also will be simply written over here. And in very details, you can see how you can connect wires, different wires. And also over here, we have talked about so many things about the remote control, but it's so fast and maybe some consumers not really remember what I had talked about. So what you're going to check through on it. So we have the remote control details over here. It tells you what is each remote functions. And also in the meantime, they have to tell you some notes. It's really important you have to read. And while your fans has some problem troubleshooting what you're going to do, we have the troubleshooting notes over here. And the last, very important, for each item, you have to look after them and seem like your favorite things, you have to take care of them. So from over here, we have the clean and care. From clean and care, they have tell you not what you should to use to clean your crystal and your fan lights, and what you cannot use, you can simply see from here also. And this actually is, that's all for today, guys. If you like today's video, please give a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email support, moooni@support.com. Thank you so much.